Tuesday, January 21st, end of the day. Let's check in with Dad and his apprentice and see what they're up to. Oh, what's going on today? Lots of grinding, I hear.
Fuel pump mounted, fuel switch mounted.
Yeah, speak up a little bit.
Fuel pump is mounted.
Yeah.
And the fuel switch is mounted. The wires onto the alternator to go to the power source over here,
Okay.
which is mounted.
Okay.
And that's the wiring box.
Okay.
And we got one muffler in.
One muffler pipe, exhaust pipe.
Or exhaust. No, that's muffler.
Okay, well, it's still the pipe.
Yep.
Okay.
And he's working on the other one there.
Okay. And Dad had to change out the manifolds the other day to make them work.
Yeah. And I can't put those on because they're
Too big.
bigger than the pipe.
Okay.
The clearance is
Okay. So, progress. Didn't do a video yesterday because, well, just didn't. Looks like Dad's doing some more door and floor work here.
the floor.
Okay, and this is looks like the floorboard for the inside there. Dad's apprentice is working on cleaning up the other pipe here for the exhaust. Dad's going to do a little welding here. I'm just going to go check on the rest of the stuff.
Roof is gone to see if the dump is open.
Oh, okay.
So if the dump's open, you take these cans, and if there's one part that you dump it in there, lift the back right out, okay? We'll check them out.
Okay.
The scrap iron that's outside's got to go.
I'm going to keep on walking around the shop here and find out what's going on. So, as you guys see, looks like everything's going into place quite nicely here. Dad's got the carb covered up so it doesn't get dirty, and he's got the hose running from it, and a lot less dust around here. That floor was put in yesterday, but they took it back out to paint. Got some of the wiring underneath the dash done here, and the dashboard got painted the other day. The steering wheel is off. They started running cables through here, and it looks like cable. Well, that looks like coolant hose. So that means the blower motor heater is likely hooked up. Yeah. Normally we usually use red, but they must have found some other color here to use, and so coolant will be running out back, and it's flat on the and not pinched anywhere, and Dad's strung it through correctly, so should be good there. So yeah, lots of snow again here today. Snow, more snow, and we hate the snow. Good for bombardiering, but not for driving or anything like that. And I'm going to see if I can get the big truck started here and plow the yard. And our little dog just loves the shop. Loves it. Yeah, just so happy here. And your big Charlie sleeps on that couch and you love it.